Node.js was created in 2009 to bring JavaScript to the server side, enabling full-stack web development with a single language. It made JavaScript capable of handling backend logic, APIs, databases, and more. But why learn Node.js? The first reason is that for full-stack JS, so basically we can build the front end and the back end using JS, and we can use it for the entire stack. The next reason is that for server-side development, we can build fast, scalable web servers and APIs. Another reason is it's perfect for the real-time applications. For example, we can use chatbots, multiplayer games, and live collaboration tools. Also, for the NPM ecosystem, it's the largest package ecosystem in the world, over than 2 million packages. What are the use cases? The first use case is the microservice architecture. It's great for building modular scalable systems. For the CLI tools, we can easily create powerful command line utilities. For the DevOps and the automation, we can write scripts for the CI/CD pipelines, task automation, etc. Also for the IoT and the hardware, so control hardware and the sensors, they are using Node.js. For example, we can use it with the Johnny 5 and the Raspberry Pi and so on. So other use cases are edge computing. We can run lightweight Node.js services close to the users. And for the serverless functions, it's popular in the AWS Lambda and others.